So what do you do when it comes to removing your PPE? Now you have to consider that everything is contaminated, so it may be a hazard. So you need to remove it in a specific way. What I would suggest is pulling down with one of the sleeves over the glove, and then using your gloved hand still to remove the first glove over the top of the sleeve, bunching up into the hand that you have just removed with. Now you still have your base glove. You can go underneath the sleeve, and your base glove should not be contaminated. Pulling down and over, being careful as to only touch the inside of the sleeve, and then underneath the cuff of the top glove and removing safely. Disposing of in your waste bin. Please make sure that you are disposing of potentially contaminated PPE into your biohazard waste bin as well. From here, you have your gloved hands. You can take off your contaminated apron. Now the best way I have found is to pull the sides, snapping the knot, bunching up at the front, and then pulling down over the neck and away from your body. You can then scrunch your apron up, being careful not to splash any contaminant everywhere, and remove your gloves over the top in a safe manner by going underneath them. It is at this point I would then grab a fresh pair of gloves, pop those on, and take off your potentially contaminated face mask, face shield or eyewear. Pop this to one side so that it can be cleaned later with one of the many cleaning products that are available in the studio. You can then remove your gloves again, as they may be contaminated from touching your face shield, popping those in the waste, and again removing your face mask and being sure to pop that in the bin as well. And from now, having removed everything, you can then go and wash your hands thoroughly, and we do recommend that you wash your hands up to your elbow. Once everything is dried off, you can then come back and sort any equipment out now that you are clean.